Hello friends, today we start the integral calculus for IIT and JEE Main and Advance. And this course is also helpful for the undergraduate calculus students, which is also known as calculus 2, which is integral calculus. In this course we will be cover the syllabus of JEE Main and Advance, which divided into 4 parts. First part is indefinite integrals, second is definite integrals, third is area of bounded regions, this is also known as the area under curve. The fourth is application of integral calculus, which is differential equations. This is also known as the application of integral calculus. So this is our major 4 parts. First is integral calculus, definite integral, area of the bounded regions, and differential calculus. So in the next video we will start some fundamentals and basics of the integral calculus for both IIT and JEE Main and Advance. Thank you for watching the video.